Sunday, March 10, 2019. This is Mercedes Diesel Guy, and this is my 1998 Volvo S70 base model project car. So, I was out here yesterday evening. I did not get back out here last night after my late dinner because I was just exhausted. I just kind of passed out. So, I'm back here. It's late afternoon. It's just been a busy weekend with life in general. So, getting back to it now. To recap, last night, I actually... yesterday afternoon, last night, I finished up the driver's side front wheel well, which is I got the strut installed, I got the new brake hose installed, re-greased the caliper slide pins, put in new brake pads, and that was basically it. And then I removed the passenger side strut, which once again fought me coming out. And then rebuilt it. So the strut itself is ready to go back into the car, but I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of the car, which is I'm going to replace that brake hydraulic hose first. And the reason for that, as I said in my last video, is while the strut is out, I just have much better access to everything. And on this side of the car, it just took me a few minutes. The fasteners were not stuck all that bad. So that's what I'm going to do first. Then I'm going to install the strut. And let's see what else I have time for today. Like I said, just got life going on. I'd hoped to finish the car this weekend. Hell, I'd hoped to finish the car last weekend, but it's not quite there yet. But I am getting there. So I'm going to get to work, and I'll let you know what I have done at the end of the day. I'm at my stopping point for the day, and let me just show you what I've done here. I'm really low on battery, so I'll be quick about it. The new strut is in, everything's torqued down properly, sway bar link is reconnected, we got the new brake hose on, got the new brake pads in. So this wheel well is done, aside from bleeding the brakes and reinstalling the wheel and torquing the lug bolts. So this is it for today. I'll bring you more on the next installment, but essentially the front brakes and suspension are done, and I'm going to move on to the rears from here. Thanks for watching.